Stepping into the virtual reality and putting the goggles on, it was a completely different experience.
It couldn't be seen with the plan work or with even the renderings that were being done. It really needed to be felt.
Many of our stakeholders are not people who live in the design world, and it's hard to imagine yourself in a space, in a three-dimensional space, based on two-dimensional drawings. I think being able to step into it through the goggles, whether that's through fly-throughs or through actual virtual reality glasses, it puts you in a place to really be able to understand it better.
The Portland building is a city administration building. It was built in 1982. It was designed by Michael Graves, so it has a lot of position nationally and internationally. There were a number of things that were done for budget reasons that actually caused problems over time. It's been an amazing experience to take this historic, iconic building and transform it.
The various 3D formats that we've been able to use through this project allowed us as an owner and allowed our employees to really envision what the building will be when we move back in.
I like the idea that as new employees or new users come to the building, that there's a way to educate them on the decisions that were made. That can be a really powerful tool so that you know why windows are placed where they are, or what a color was selected for. They're actually part of the design narrative.
With the VR, we're able to sit in a room and have the experience together and allow that conversation to happen.
In a way, this gives everybody on the team a design voice.